Student Information System Module centralizes all student-related information, making it easy to access, track, and manage academic, personal, and attendance records in one place. Student Profiles centralize student records covering personal, academic, and enrollment data. Enrollment Management manage student admissions, registrations, class assignments, and sections. Attendance Tracking record, monitor, and report daily attendance for students. Academic Records track grades, exams, assessments, and historical academic performance. Parent Portal Access enable parents to view student progress, attendance, and academic updates. Student Promotion and Progression promote students automatically between grades and academic years.